why enter politics? What or who motivated you to enter public service?
As a priest, ang akong gilantaw gid is the welfare of our people. No, I want that the church will live kana bang maayo ang pagpuyo sa katawan.
Okay.
Because akong tan-aw kung dili maayo ang sitwasyon sa atong katilingban, dili pud maayo ang sitwasyon tang simbahan. I want to see that the poor will be helped. Pero ang akong disappointment bang yun is ang pobre mo ay pirmi yung nabiktima sa sitwasyon sa politika o ekonomiya sa atong katilingban.
Sad truth.
Ang ako nakita yun, after election, nakisuportahan nga politiko, mo balik naman gihapon dito nga way nahitabo. Where are our leaders? Why can't our leaders do something nga mausab ning atong katilingban ma-transform into a better place? Ang pangutana, am I willing to sacrifice my vocation
Yes.
para lang mudagan ko politika?
Gani.
It's not about running for power.
Mhm.
It was about
The
the
people.
welfare of Iligan City.
Okay.
It's the people actually of Iligan City. If this is the will of God for me at this point in my life,
Mhm.
then I will make that ultimate sacrifice.